Biometric tracking is an objective way to measure just how effective different tinnitus treatments are at reducing your tinnitus. That's why modern tinnitus is pioneering the use of biometric data collection for managing tinnitus. We can measure data about your sleep quality and quantity, exercise and movement, and your heart rate variability as a proxy for your tinnitus. This data is available to us in real time so that we can make adjustments to your care quickly and efficiently. But we can also use past data to determine your own unique trends.